Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Explore the Galaxy with myself, Michael Marks. So, today we're going to talk about Pasco, collect an extra 6 months. So, what that means is inside a Galaxy, we can assign a discount code to an extended membership or season pass length. So, I was working with Jesse from Knobles today, so a shout out to him for the idea. So I was working with Jesse. What we wanted to do was we wanted to award anybody who wants to make a purchase to the season pass program a little early. So we wanted to extend the membership to the end of next year. So rather than having to create a new membership or pass kind and maybe even a PLU, we were able to utilize the Galaxy discount process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I have an individual membership here that goes for a year. So it's in August. So if I purchase now, it's going to expire August of 2020. So I'll click on individual here and take notice that the expiration is until the end of August of 2020, right? So I'll just fill out very quickly some info. I don't require a lot from my membership, so this is just an option in Galaxy. So when I click OK, we know that the expiration date is set to August 29th, right? But I'll go ahead and hit my discount button here. Now I called it Member Gets Another, right? But you're welcome to call it an extra year or whatever suits your menu's needs. So when I click on that, you'll take notice the expiration is jumped to the end of next year. And I can even double click on the membership and take notice of the expiration. So cool, right? So now that gives you an easy way to reward your members or even future members for signing up for your membership or season pass program. But hey, let's go a step further. Let's show you what it looks like on the web as well. Now this comes from Jesse in regards to the idea here. He wanted to attach the discount to the PLU, so then the discount would happen automatically on the web. So I thought that was a great idea, so we'll show you. All right. Let me head over to my membership area. All right, so I'm going to head down and hit membership here. Okay. And I'm going to select my individual membership and add to the cart. When I add it to the cart, that's where the magic happens. Boom. Expiration date has been extended to December 31st, 2020. So really simple stuff, but it turns out to be really powerful, especially for your marketing teams and your membership. So let me show you how that setup looks like, or what that setup looks like, excuse me. So under Central Data Maintenance, I'm going to select the Discount section here, Discount Maintenance, and then Discounts. And let me walk you through my discount here. So I'll double click on my Member 2019 discount code. And I chose to let the discount be used multiple times. That's in case if we wanted to allow multiple passes to get this extension as well. I set the valid dates. Now this was important. We wanted to make sure that the discount code couldn't be used after the end of the year, so we set a from and until date. Now under the Requirements tab, all I did was I clicked on the group area here, and I simply set the category inside of my chart of accounts to the memberships area. So if you take a look here, I'll scroll down into my chart of accounts, and there's memberships. So I'm saying anything in the memberships area can get this discount. Now we can be more granular, right? So if I go down here, maybe I only want the family membership type to have this this discount. So you can get further into detail. All right, and I have it set to quantity 1, and important, let's allow the discount to apply to requirements. Now, why is that? Well, if the discount is looking at the requirement, right, and then that same requirement is the detail, then that's why we have to make sure we have that selected. So now we know what is required to trigger the discount. Let's go ahead and show you what the discount does. So under the details section, all right, I double clicked in the group area. And all I did was I set the same company and category here as you saw. And very important, set a quantity, right? Because if I had this unchecked as unlimited, excuse me, without it checked, and quantity 0, that means nothing's gonna happen. So either set it to 1, right? Or if you wanted to allow more, we can go up to unlimited. And then here we click on the membership expiration. This is where the fun happens. This is where I can go ahead and say what kind of rules are happening when the discount is applied. So I can maybe extend it by a few days, by a few months, right? Or as you can see, I have it set hard-coded here. And that's it. So on the discount setup, that's all you really need to get going. And when you click OK, you do your normal publishing, of course. But let me show you what to do to attach the discount to the product itself. This is what Jesse wanted to do. So when I open up my tickets and items here, I'm going to go ahead and type in Season 1, Episode 5, right? And we're going to go take a look at that membership. Now I removed the discount from the accounting tab just so for demonstration purposes. So just make sure you click accounting and we click on the discount code and then we apply it, right? So one very important thing to note here is that when I attach this discount code, and let's just say the discount is no longer valid, in point of sale, the PLU, it's not going to allow you to purchase it because the discount is applied. So something to keep in mind. So either schedule something in the calendar to make sure you get a publish going, or maybe we can just do this for the online product. That's completely up to you, but I just wanted to show you. Well, again, thank you to Jesse at Knoebels for the idea, and thank you to everyone for hanging out with me on Explore the Galaxy. I'll be on the community answering questions, so thank you and take care.